Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Today I would like to tell you about myself, my family, my memorable moment, and my dreams. Okay, before that I will introduce myself first. My name is Noval. I am from Impressive Class, and this is my task about mind mapping, and this is my drawing, guys. Okay, I will explain first of all. For the first, this is myself. Okay, I first myself is I was born in 2007, and I was born in Magelang, Central Java. But when you see this is the island. I like red. Yes. I drive red. Yes. This is Magelang, Central Java. When I was born in there, and then when I was child, I like new things, and I very curious thing, because when I was child, I just to play and happy with family and my friend. And right now I have several hobbies. I like reading a books, because reading books makes me get new knowledge, and then when I get new knowledge, I will improve ourselves. And I have several hobbies, and continue to hobbies. I like listening to music, because when I listen to music, I makes me relax after I busy day or with reading a book. I always listen to music, and sometimes I like drawing, because that I makes my mind mapping with my draw with my hand. And sometimes I also like playing football and playing basketball with my friends, and I'm happy in there, because when I play sport, my body is so healthy, and I get knowledge to teamwork and others. And then I will tell you about my favorite color. My favorite color is light blue, because light blue is when I see light blue or sky. This is same with sky, right? When I see sky, I felt so happy, just like that. And then sometimes I also like to hike the mountain with my friend to spending my free time. And my favorite food is for healthy 5 perfect meals, because when I eat that, my body is so healthy, and I feel I don't get maybe any sick. And then for right now, I'm studying at BC. Why I study at BC? Because I want to improve myself, because I feel, because English is very important to our people. People in the world, because for now technology is so modern. Like that, and so I decided to learn English, because when I learn English, I will be new knowledge for so I can speak with other people in another country. Yes. And for the second picture, this is my family. There are 5 people in my family. She is my younger sister, she is my mother, and he is my younger brother, and he is my father, and he is me. there are 5 people in my family. My family is most important part of my life because when I get a mistake, my partner is always remember me to repeat myself. And why I draw tree, because my family is my tree of my life. Every flower is represents love, happiness, and hope. And my father is so hard worker and always teach me to be a hard work, to be hard work and others. My mother is always praise for me and supports me and others. And continue to third part. This is my memorable moment, guys. Until this. When I in elementary school, I get a high fever. And I get a bad dreams when I slept, yes. And tomorrow I went to some place with my family, but I could not go because I still sick. But I decided to join, and then I could go to beach with my big family. And when I arrived to there, I felt very happy, and my field is so lost. And I so remember that memorable moment. And this is my dreams. My dreams is around the world, and when I be around the world, I will be traveler, and I will make some build or some market for my business. When I get a business, I will be a rich man. Thank you for listening, and thank you for your nice attention. This is Nova. Peace out. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.